Welcome to eSchool channel. We are seeing practice set 5 of maths. First example addition, that is add 8 plus 6. When we are adding 8 plus 6, this is the scale. Okay, so this is the scale where this is the plus 8 sign is there. And when we are moving towards right hand side, that means what? We have to move 6 places right in the process of addition. So 8 plus 6, that comes out to be, we have to move here right hand side 6 places positive. So 8 plus 6 is what? Plus 14 is the answer. Second, 9 plus minus 3. Here on the scale, here we are at 9 and we have to move minus 3. That means what? We are moving left hand side. When we are moving left hand side, that means what? From 9 we have to move, this is the 1, 2 and 3. So answer is plus 6. Next example is 5 plus minus 6. Currently on the scale we are here at 5. Okay, but we have to add minus 6. That means we have to move to the left hand side 6 places. So 5 plus minus 6 places we have to move left. So here we are, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. What is the answer of 5 plus minus 6? Minus 1 is the answer. Then fourth example, minus 7 plus 2. So here we are at this location, minus 7 on the scale. Okay, minus 7, but here we have to add plus 2. When we have to add, we have to move right hand side on the scale. So we have to move how much places? 2 places from minus 7. 2 places means this is the first and this is the second. What is the answer of minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 is the answer. Then fifth example, minus 8 plus 0. Whatever things we are adding 0 to the integer, the answer is integer. That means minus 8 plus 0 is minus 8. Answer is minus 8. There is no change. Then next example is minus 5 plus minus 2. Here is, suppose we are here in minus 5 and we have to add 2 places. Again we have to move to the left hand side. Okay, no, we have to move to the left hand side 2 places. So this is the, from minus 5 we are moving left hand side 2 places, that is the minus 6 and this is the second minus 7. So minus 2 plus minus 2, minus 5 plus minus 2, the answer is minus 7. Then we have to see the second example to complete this table. And when we have to complete this table, we have to see that what is given in this table. Okay, so this is the table given here, minus 2 sign plus 8. So minus 2 plus 8. We are here currently at minus 2 and we have to add plus 8. That means we have to move to the right hand side 8 places. So I am moving from this minus 2 8 places right hand side, minus 2 to 8 places right hand side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what will be the answer? Answer will be plus 6. Plus 6 will be the answer. Then second, minus 2 plus 4. Here currently I am here minus 2. We have to add plus 4. That means what? We have to move right hand side 4 places. So I am moving from this minus 2 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is plus 2. Then third, minus 2 plus minus 3. I am here minus 2 and I have to add again minus 3. That means I have to move to the left hand side 3 places. So I am moving from this minus 2 3 places, that is 1, 2 and 3. What is the answer? Minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5. Then minus 2 plus minus 5. Currently I am here minus 2. Now I have to add minus 5 in that. That means what? From that minus 2 I have to move left hand side 5 places. So from this minus 2 I am moving 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 2 plus minus 5, answer is minus 7. Then second, that is 6 plus 8. Very simple. Here we are suppose at 6 and we have to add 8 in that. That means we have to move right hand side 8 places. 6 plus 8 places, when we move it comes 14 or plus 14, sorry. Then 6 plus 4. Similarly 6 you have to move to the right hand side 4 places. That's why 1, 2, 3 and this comes up to be 10 over here in the scale. So 6 plus 4 is plus 10. Then 6 plus minus 3 now. Here suppose I am here 6 and we have to add minus 3. That's why I have to move to the left hand side 3 places. So from this 6 I am moving 3 places left, that is 1, 2 and 3. So your answer is plus 3. Then 6 plus minus 5. Suppose I am here at this point on the scales plus 6 and I have to add minus 5. So I have to move 5 places to the left hand side of this 6. So I am moving from these 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the answer over here? Plus 1. So answer is plus 1. Next, you know that whatever is added to the 0, there is no change. So 0 plus 8 is 8 itself. 0 plus 4 is 4 itself. We are adding 0 plus minus 3, but here sign change, okay? Because 0 plus, suppose here we are 0 and we have to add minus 3. That means we have to move left hand side. So 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? Minus 3. Like this. 0 plus minus 5. Suppose I am here 0 and I have to add minus 5. I have to move here 5 places left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But sign is negative. I have to move in left hand side. That's why. Then here minus 4 plus 8. Suppose I am here in this place minus 4, okay, and I have to add 8. So I have to move from this minus 4 8 places to the right hand side. So from this minus 4 I am moving 8 places. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer here? We are getting number plus 4. So answer is plus 4. Now I am here minus 4. I have to add plus 4. So I have to move right hand side 4 places. So I am moving right hand side 4 places means minus 4. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Where we are coming at 0. That's why answer is 0. Then I am here minus 4 plus minus 3. Minus 4 plus minus 3. That means you have to move left hand side 3 places. So I am moving from this 4 left hand side 3 places. 1, 2, 3. The answer is minus 7. Then minus 4 plus minus 5. Suppose I am over here minus 4 and I have to add minus 5. That means I have to move left hand side 5 places. I am moving from this minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That answer is minus 9. because I am moving on the scale left hand side. If suppose you like our channel eSchool, then don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.